I got a question.
Please don't leave.
Owayibonayo zangayithenga, wayithengayo zangayisebenzisa, wayisebenzisayo zangayibona. Intoni le Wordplay King from Lipolas. Shout out to K1 Deadmark. Yo, iflow yami number 1 njengomchamo wasekuseni namasimbu number 2 uzothola ikake 2016 unzela ngokuphinde kubamba ngama-washing ngifake dusting kusemashini ngiyine-hook ne-Lamborghini flows on track ezikufake emashini bese ngene ematasini ifafani nothing umama uhlala ematrasini I don't care ufunda p uzifake ejayivini umoshe ngokubondi undermine is fine what they selling ngathi biwe nigga I ain't buying I'm a superhero kumtshana wami umavela sibalele flat ndiba ayine spine style samsine drive blind that's why kumele ngiqale ngikhanyise ngilayite sukhunyelwa kumndaba undigadile ngebhadi ibullets zakho azibhadi nix zitshesayidi I believe ukuthi ulayipython yasebhayibhelini usi-scraps and that's why you like to recycle shit laqala uquarantine akungekabikho ne-corona ndihlala endlini in the rehearse nenikalamu MTO 06 pena pepe yatsho yazala iflow so asiye saint no gangster nobo ngoba kuzole khona stop unjengephara lasekasi lami uyashisa mara mkufika mina uphenduka umtoko uzophola boy I'm coming with the hit kunizibane uzosola ubizoringa bhaya uklem ubuya rapper kanti ntwana uyaxoxa ndinamali ye-airtime beswaningeke ngikhokha umoya njenge-life I'm too short nge-hip hop umbuya kude anekhala lekhalanga khaleni mbonweni femaduze ndivele ngihluthi isibamsenyoni ndibulala umude ndirephe mini kuhlwe kusendivuke before khalikhudi ngikwenzela ifavor angeke ndibhife nodot ungabuza nopismi ku-16 major kayo